Yeah, this particular session is basically going to explain you about what is the series and parallel connections in batteries or in regular circuits. Let us take what is series connection. So let us write what is series connection. Okay, let us take an example. What exactly happens in series and what exactly happens in parallel connections. Yeah, in series connection, the voltage will get doubled and the current is remains same. Whereas in parallel connections, the voltage will remain same and the current it get doubles. Means that as you know that the voltage can be indicated with V and current can be indicated with I. Here again voltage V, current I. So if we discuss basically about our series and parallel connections, we basically in batteries one used to get confused. So let us take some examples. Let's take a case of series connections. In series connection, in these connections, what actually happens is, say we have a positive terminal, a negative terminal, and a positive terminal and a negative terminal. In series connections, connecting a positive to a negative terminal, connecting a positive with a negative terminal, which is a series connection. Let us take a parallel connection, positive, negative, positive, negative, connecting a positive terminal to one more positive terminal and a negative terminal to the one more negative terminal, which is parallel connection. Let us take an example of batteries, how you get connected, and how are you going to make a simple drawing here. So with this, let me take a new session. What happens here is, say I have a battery of 12 volts. Let me see here. Sorry, we have a battery of 12 volts, 150 Ah, and I have two batteries. Say I have two batteries of this. So now our example one, case one is, we need to make a 24 volts 150 Ah connection. You know that we have here only two batteries of 150 Ah. So let us draw a case. So say this is a positive terminal, negative terminal, positive and negative, and this first battery, which is of 12 volts 150 Ah, and second battery 12 volts 150 Ah. Now our task is to have 24 volts 150 Ah. It means that we have 12 volts 12 volts. You know that in only in series connection the voltage will get added. So with this, what exactly we need to do is, in series, what exactly, if you can look at the session, in series what we need to do is connecting a positive terminal here, this negative terminal to this, which gives a 24 volts and still remains 150 Ah. This ends connections can go to the main circuit. This basically creates the case with the same batteries. Let us take a case. We need to make the same circuit of 12 volts 300 Ah. So in the same fashion, let us consider two batteries. This is a positive terminal, negative terminal, positive, negative. We know that this is 12 volts, 150 Ah, again 12 volts, 150 Ah. Here we know that 12 volts, 300 Ah, but our available batteries are 12 volts. Here you can see 150 Ah. So it means that we need to get added the AH level. It means it's current, right? So we need to basically think about having parallel connections. In parallel connections, what exactly happens? You know that connecting a positive terminal to the other positive terminal and a negative terminal to one more negative terminal. So this end and this end can go to the main circuit, and this can become 12 volts 300 Ah. So hope you must have understood what is series and parallel connections. So if you look at complete session, in series connection what exactly happens is the voltage gets doubled and current, which is Ah, remains same. Whereas in parallel connections, the voltage is remains same and the current, which is Ah, gets doubled. So these are the basic fundamentals of any battery connection, where in series the voltage gets doubled and the current remains same, which is Ah level, and in parallel connections the voltage remains same and current gets doubled. So let us take one more example. Let us take one more example where we can take one more session with different battery connections. So let me take